Good day, everyone. Today we are going to study the Haemopoietic System, which is one of the most vital systems of the human body. The term haemopoietic refers to blood formation. In this session, we will cover the composition and functions of blood, the process of haemopoiesis blood groups and their importance, clotting factors and mechanism of coagulation disorders related to blood components. If you're watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for future notifications. Understanding this topic is essential in anatomy, physiology, nursing, and medical sciences. The haemopoietic system is responsible for the production, maturation, and regulation of blood cells. It mainly includes blood, bone, marrow, lymphoid organs, such as spleen and lymph nodes. Bone marrow acts as the primary site of blood cell production in adults. The system ensures oxygen supply, immunity, and prevention of blood loss. Blood is a specialized connective tissue composed of two main parts, plasma and formed elements. Plasma makes up about 55% of blood volume and consists mostly of water. It also contains proteins like albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. These proteins help in maintaining osmotic pressure, immunity, and clotting. The remaining 45% consists of formed elements, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Each of these has specific functions necessary for survival. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are the most abundant blood cells. They are biconcave in shape, which increases their surface area for gas exchange. They lack a nucleus in mature form, allowing more space for hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and transports it to tissues. A normal adult has about 4.5 to 6 million RBCs per microliter of blood. A decrease in RBCs causes anemia, while an increase leads to polycythemia. White blood cells are responsible for immunity and defense. There are 5 major types: neutrophils, fight bacterial infections; lymphocytes, important in adaptive immunity; monocytes, become macrophages; eosinophils, fight parasitic infections; basophils, involved in allergic reactions. An increased WBC count is called leukocytosis, while a cancerous condition affecting WBCs is leukemia. Platelets are small cell fragments derived from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow. They play a critical role in preventing blood loss. Their lifespan is about 7 to 10 days, and the normal count ranges from 150,000 to 450,000 per microliter. When a blood vessel is damaged, platelets adhere to the injury site and help form a temporary plug. Blood performs 3 major functions. Transport, carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Regulation, maintains body temperature, pH, and fluid balance. Protection, provides immunity and prevents blood loss through clotting. Without blood, no organ system can function properly. Haemopoiesis is the process of blood cell formation. In adults, it occurs in the red bone marrow of flat bones such as the sternum, ribs, pelvis, and vertebrae. All blood cells originate from a single hematopoietic stem cell. There are 3 main types: erythropoiesis, RBC formation, leukopoiesis, WBC formation, thrombopoiesis, platelet formation. This process is regulated by hormones like erythropoietin. A disorder is an abnormal condition affecting structure or function. RBC disorders include anemia and polycythemia. WBC disorders include leukocytosis and leukemia. Platelet disorders include thrombocytopenia and thrombocytosis. Early diagnosis of blood disorders is important because they can affect oxygen supply, immunity, and clotting. Blood groups are determined by antigens present on the surface of red blood cells. In the ABO system, Group A has A antigen, Group B has B antigen, Group AB has both, Group O has none. Blood transfusion must be compatible to prevent agglutination, which is clumping of RBCs. The Rh factor is another important antigen. If the Rh antigen is present, the person is Rh positive. If absent, the person is Rh negative. Rh incompatibility is particularly important during pregnancy and can lead to hemolytic disease of the newborn. There are 13 clotting factors numbered 1 to 13. These factors work in a cascade system, meaning one factor activates the next. For example, factor 1 is fibrinogen. Factor 2 is prothrombin. Factor 8 deficiency causes hemophilia. 8. This cascade ensures rapid clot formation when needed. Blood clotting occurs in 3 stages: vascular spasm, constriction of blood vessel platelet plug formation, temporary sealing coagulation, formation of fibrin mesh. During coagulation, prothrombin converts to thrombin. Thrombin converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin forms a stable clot that stops bleeding. Coagulation disorders can lead to excessive bleeding or abnormal clotting. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder caused by deficiency of clotting factors. Thrombocytopenia leads to easy bruising due to low platelet count. Disseminated intravascular coagulation, or DIC, involves widespread clotting followed by severe bleeding. These conditions require immediate medical attention. To summarize, blood is a vital connective tissue. It is produced through haemopoiesis in bone marrow. Blood groups are essential for safe transfusion. Clotting prevents excessive blood loss. Disorders of blood components can be life-threatening. A strong understanding of this system is essential for clinical practice. And here we are wrapping up. We can see in next video.